So now let's take a look at the color settings inside of Microsoft Windows 10. So to work around with the color settings, I'm going to right click over here on an empty spot in my desktop, and then I'm going to go to personalize right over here. So I'm just going to expand this, and over here on the left side under background you can see colors. So let me just click on colors, and over here you'll be able to see that there are different color settings that you can choose from. Right now mine is set to custom, so let me change this to light and let's see what happens. As I change this to light, you can see that the start menu is lighter in color, and if I were to open up the start menu, it is bright. If I were to turn on transparency effect, then you can see that transparency is there. This is seeing through, this little area is seeing through the background, so it is mixed up with the greenish color in the back. And if I were to start the start menu, you can see that there's transparency setting right over here. You can see that this area is colorful because of the colors here. But if I were to start the start menu now, you can see that it's mixed with the background green. As soon as I bring it up here, you can see that the colors is there. So that is what transparency setting is. This is a bit heavy on the graphics card over here, so you might want to turn it off if you want the performance to be snappy. So you can choose your accent color over here from the light as well, so you can also automatically pick the accent color from the background. So depending on the background, it has chosen the accent color and has made mostly green. You can also choose your recent colors right over here to make it sure it is blue and so forth. But if you had to choose it from your automatic accent color, you can see that it is more from the background right over here. Especially when you have something like a wallpaper, then this actually chooses automatically as well. In my case, I'm just going to stick with my color that is green. So let me just go over here and click this color right over here. And that is how you choose the accent color right over here. So once you do that, what will happen? What else you have an option is also the custom color, of course. And you can also have the title bar and Windows border right over here, which will work around with the borders as well. So whenever you open out something, like I'm going to open out the old Paint app right over here, you can see that the title bar is actually there. So title bar, window border color is there. As I turn it off, you can see that the border is no longer green. If I were to turn this on, you can see that it is green. Turn it off, it's no longer green right here. Usually want to turn it on because that lets me know if it is active or not active right over here. So let me just expand this out and let's see the other option that I have in the color settings. So this is the light mode. If I were to change this into dark mode, then everything becomes dark right here, including the Windows colors, as you can see right here. You can enable and disable the transparency effects in the dark mode as well. It's the same, and you can see the colors right over there. And then you can also, the other options are the same, but basically everything is dark mode. Even if you were to open up this PC, you can see that it is dark. So other option over here is custom option, which gives you more options. So if you were to go to custom right over here, you can choose whether all are dark or only parts of the windows are dark. Right now, your default Windows mode is dark and default app mode is dark. So right now, the default Windows mode, that is the window, is dark. So if I were to change the app mode to light, let's see what happens. So if I change the app mode to light, this is light as you can see, and as I open up window right here, this is dark. If I were to open up the PC, this PC, it is light because that's the app mode. So any application that you open is in the light mode, while the start menu over here is dark mode, as you can see. But I can keep the Windows mode light just like this, so you can see that this is light, and I can change the app mode to dark. What that does is it reverses it out. So now the Windows is bright, as you can see, and the Windows over here is dark. That is, the applications are dark. Usually I like to keep the Windows bar over here dark and the app mode bright. This is how by default Microsoft Windows sets it as well. And also you can enable and disable the transparency settings just like that. So you can choose the color accents like this, and then you can choose the overall theme of how everything works like. We're also going to look at theme in further lessons, but overall this is how you set up colors inside of Microsoft Windows 10. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.